Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about how we can describe a pattern using variables. Let's see these figures and try to identify the pattern in them with the help of the figure number and the number of squares. So in the first figure, the number of squares is 3. Similarly, in the figure number 2, the number of squares are 4. And in the figure number 3, the number of squares are 5. Let's see if we can write 3, 4 and 5, that is the number of squares, in some other way. Yes, we can write 3 as 1 plus 2. Similarly, we can write 4 as 2 plus 2 and we can write 5 as 3 plus 2. Now here you can see we are adding plus 2 each time, so it's a constant here. And the numbers in red, that is 1, 2 and 3, they are same as the figure numbers. So we can see that the figure numbers, the numbers in the red 1, 2 and 3, they are varying. So we can say that these are the variables, and then there's a constant, that is plus 2, which is being added each time. So the expression for the number of squares is figure number plus 2. Instead of figure number, let's write letter F to represent it. So the letter F is called a variable because it is being varied each time. And we can write the number of squares as F plus 2, where F represents the figure number. And this F plus 2 is called expression. This is the expression for the number of squares. What if we want to find out the number of squares for the figure number 4? We can simply put the number 4 in the expression and find out the answer. So here F is 4, which is the figure number. And 4 plus 2 gives you 6, which is the number of squares for the figure number 4. Now let's try to write an expression for the following pattern. Now we have the pattern 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these are the terms. So the term 1 is 7. The value for term 2 is 8. The value of term 3, 4, 5 and 6 are 9, 10, 11 and 12 respectively. So let's try to write it into a tabular form. That for term 1, the value is 7, which can be written as 1 plus 6. For term 2, the value is 8, which can be written as 2 plus 6. The term for the value for the term number 3 is 9, which can be written as 3 plus 6, and so on. Now again, we can identify the pattern in the value here. We can see that in each value, it is being added, 6 is being added. So it's a constant being added each time. And the numbers in red, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, they are same as the term numbers. So they are variables. So the value can be written as term number plus 6. Instead of term, we can write T to shorten it. So the expression for this pattern is T plus 6. Now let's try to find out what will be the 50th term in this pattern. Since we know the expression, we can just put the 50th term number, that is T is equal to 50, in this expression and we can easily get the result. So here T is 50 because we are talking about the 50th term. So T plus 6 will give us 50 plus 6, that is 56. So the 50th term of this pattern will be 56. Thanks for watching.